How to extract interested leads from Lusha. What you're going to do first, once you log in here on the dashboard, you'll see this option that says search. Click on search. Now you're going to target the right people, okay, that will actually be interested. If you're trying to sell a product in a specific industry, you'll not go and target the salespeople or receptionists in that industry, right? You need to target the purchasing officers, people in the purchasing department. Okay. That is what you need to go ahead and, target. So now let's choose an industry. Let's pick an industry. We have different options right here. Let's pick something in the farming industry, farming, ranching, forestry industry. And now, as you can see, we will only be targeting people in this industry. So I can go ahead and minimize this. And you can see up here, once this loads up, how many contacts we would have been able to find. Now, what you can do is scroll down, and under job title or under department, you can choose, for example, purchasing department, right? So scroll down. Let's look for people in the purchasing or operations as well. We can include operations, can include purchasing and business development. So we have over 510,000 contacts. That's too much. So let's go ahead and get their job title, something in the purchasing department. So we'll add purchasing as well. Let's see how many this comes down to. Only about 2,294. And keep in mind, you can only extract up to 500 leads at a time. So this would be completely useless. So if we do 2,294, we need to go ahead and fine tune this even more. So let's add a contact location. Maybe you're located in Utah or Texas. Let's go ahead and do Texas. And Texas, United States, we'll do the whole state right there. And we have 18 contacts. So we really narrowed this one down. So what we can do now right here, we have these people. Let's do David. We'll go ahead and select David if you want to go ahead and contact him. We have Jill, who's a purchasing agent. Of course, you need to come here and click on show details, because right now, if you see, their email is blocked. And if they had a number, their number would also be blocked unless you click on show details. Now, in which case their number and email has now appeared. You can just go ahead and save this to our list right here. And I have on my list, which is outreach, I have been adding people. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. As you can see, successfully been added. If you want to find your list, come here at the left panel. You'll see my list right here, outreach. So go ahead and click on that. And if you want to create a new list, really easy and simple, come here, click on the plus icon next to your list. You can enter your name and just go ahead and create list. Now, if I want to extract these leads, I can either choose the specific person and then export this to my CRM. Of course, you need to connect it to your CRM. You can select the platform. They have many different platforms, for example, Salesforce, HubSpot, Outreach, right? Pipedrive, Zoho, Bullhorn, and you name it. They have a bunch of them. Or you can come here and click on this. This will select all of them. And you can also export this to a CSV as well. As you can see, start downloading immediately. And if I open up this, we have it in an Excel file. You can go ahead and use this for example, for mail merge. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.